Hello, my name's Dan Havley-Herford. I'm the Programme Manager for Game and Wildlife and Fisheries and Aquatic Science at Plumpton College. We're today walking around our college fishery, doing a bit of supplementary feeding during the COVID lockdown. This is so we can provide a little bit of extra food which is normally supplemented by anglers or done by students on routines. So we've got a bit of whole maize today, just going to throw a bit of that out. This is kind of best practice really, because it provides them with a little bit of extra nutrition and reduces the amount of competition, especially during this time of year when fish are looking at grouping them up and spawning. So we're going to feed some different feed around the other side for some of the smaller fish in about 15 minutes. But what we're going to do is just take a walk round and I'll talk you through the kind of basics of our course and what we have at Plumpton College. We're walking around the fishery. We've got quite a lot of diverse habitats around the fishery, which is something that we're keen to pass on and teach our students while they're studying an aquatic science-based course. This Phragmites is a brilliant recycling plant, and we've allowed it to encroach actually out onto the bank because it provides good winter habitat and summer habitat for birds, particularly with nesting in the spring. It provides cover for amphibians, and also it provides a nursery area in the flooded aspects for juvenile fish and also spawning habitat. So at Plumpton College we have two options on the fishery science and aquaculture based courses. The first one is the level 3 programme. Over 2 years it's the equivalent of 3 A levels. That's used to mainly either go into higher education using the UCAS scheme and progress to university, or to go into national or international industry. The other programme we have is a level 2. This is a springboard either onto the level 3, and it's a GCSE equivalent. We also have an aquacultural production business which is student-led on site, that has facilities inside which are both a warm water and cold water recirculation system. We have aquatics facility as well, with aquariums which students use for specialist projects or for research. In addition to the fishery, we also have the college estate, which has a number of chalk streams on it. We're fortunate to be within the shadow of the South Downs National Park. One of the questions I get asked is, why would you come to Plumpton College? Plumpton College is one of the most inclusive colleges that I've had the pleasure of working at. One of the things we pride ourselves on is our class or group size to lecturer ratio. This allows us to individualise your learning and help people to gain their own potential. Use it as a springboard to develop internally from level 2 to level 3, or using the UCAS system into university. Another thing that we really pride ourselves within fisheries and game is that we take sometimes people that are quite shy or maybe not confident, and we build that confidence over a year or 2 years, and those individuals then leave and go into the marketplace or going into employment, or even one of the other things is that the 95% progression to HE, going to university. It makes me feel extremely proud, and it's really important to emphasise that you will have that opportunity here. We will work with you to make you the best you can be.